Let's talk about ZBCN real quick. The market is currently correcting. BTC as well has corrected massively after getting an aggressive pump to the upside. I think BTC tapped into the $26,000 territory and is now currently trading around $121,600. So I'm expecting a reversal from here to the upside for BTC. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And yeah, so back to ZBCN. ZBCN also, if you guys paid attention to what I said in the previous video, to the analysis we did, I specifically told you guys ZBCN is going to break out. Like, plainly told you guys when we're still trading inside this bullish pennant. I told you guys we are going to break out and it's going to take a lot of people by surprise. And also I drew this projection for you guys. You guys can go and watch the previous video to bring yourself up to speed to confirm. I drew this projection. I told you guys the moment we are pumping out, breaking out, we are going to get a correction to retest this upper trend line right here of this bullish pennant before continuing our aggressive move to the upside. That was the exact stuff that is currently happening. Now, the ZBCN price pumped to the exact level. I'm talking about the precise level I drew this projection, and it's currently dumping. So a retest of this zone, the zone around 0.00044, a retest of that zone should propel ZBCN to the upside, like seriously. And the move, by the time we retest this zone, maybe consolidate there for a while, the next move is going to take ZBCN to this previous high, which is around 0.00072. So very quickly in this video, we're going to be talking about the ZBCN price update and also this very important bull market peak indicator. And also we are going to be, as you can see, the entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is currently seated at 70. Yesterday was greed, 71. So there's nothing to worry about at all considering the market sentiment we are currently in, which is also the quarter four season, which is usually a bullish quarter for the entire cryptocurrency market. We are also briefly going to talk about the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame and also the BTC price like we just talked about. I'm expecting a move like a move like this to the upside, a bounce to the upside for BTC. And not to forget that S&P launches new crypto index, which is massive and bullish for the entire market if you ask me. Now, if you're paying attention, the S&P Dow Jones Index launched the S&P Digital Market 50, a new index combining 15 cryptocurrencies and 35 crypto-related stocks. If you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Now, one of the criteria here, who knows? You might just wake up and see ZBCN among the 15 cryptocurrencies they are going to be launching an index for. Anything can happen. Zebec is positioned for institutional adoption already. So I won't be surprised. It won't be a surprise for me to see Zebec among the cryptocurrencies they are going to be picking. Now, some of the criteria here is no single asset will exceed 5% of index. New equities require a minimum of $100 million market cap, and new cryptocurrencies need a minimum of $300 million market cap, which Zebec meets all these criteria. Now, if you're paying attention, the Quota Pay is working alongside Zebec Network to modernize ACH and Swift connectivity to power Zebec real-time payroll, which is massive if you ask me. The entire crypto was once mocked, but now they are embracing crypto, which is massive for the entire market, including ZBCN. This move provides institutional investors a trusted and familiar framework for digital assets, especially those who often rely on S&P benchmark for asset allocation and performance tracking, if you ask me. And Zebec meets most of the criteria. Zebec is positioned for institutional adoption already. So very, very soon we should begin to see Zebec market cap run into billions of dollars by the time the usage increased, the utility usage increased. I'm talking about real world utility usage. Now, The moment Zebec is flipping the 0.0072 zone into a support, then it's going to be game over for the bears. I think it's even already game over for the bears. Like seriously, it's already game over for the bears because the BTC dominance is already positioned to begin an aggressive dump to the downside. It is currently at 58.96%. We are left to 24 days and 8 hours. The moment the BTC dominance begins her aggressive dump, is going to propel Zebec aggressively to the upside. I think the moment the BTC dominance aggressive dump is happening, it will mark the beginning of Zebec holders' retirement. Like seriously. Now, it won't make sense for you to hold on to your altcoins for you to marry your bag when the BTC dominance begins this aggressive correction. It will be wise to start considering taking profit by the time the BTC dominance tapped into the 46, 44, and also 42% level. Start scaling out aggressively from your altcoin bag in order to avoid getting used as an exit liquidity by the market makers. The aggressive dump happened in 2017. We had a massive altcoin rally. It happened in 2021. We had a massive altcoin rally. We are waiting for that aggressive correction for this market cycle 2025, which is just left with less than 4% to come to an end. Fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. I'm going to update you guys when I'm going to start exiting, scaling out massively from my altcoin bag. Now, this bull market peak indicator is still indicating we should continue holding. The moment this indication begins to move towards the sell zone, which is the red zone, you guys should start considering scaling out of your altcoin bag. But that would be when you've used the BTC dominance as a confluence, because this is one of the most, if not the most significant indicator to know when to buy altcoin and when to exit altcoins. So yeah, that will be all for now. So overall, Zebec is looking very, very bullish right now. We've broken above this trend line. The next thing is to flip it into a support. The moment that is happening, which is already happening, we should begin to expect further price move to the upside. If you're yet to like this video once again, please destroy the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My name is Isaac. Peace out.